And in this lesson, I will talk to you standards to use down-top analyzation methods, or also called as bottom-up. And the first thing about market cycle theory, also the same as the top-down analyzation methods. The play we should analyze for the 1 hour and 50 minutes time frame combine and connect 3 time frames together. It is completely same. And at this time, the most different things here is a step-by-step how to analyze with the down-top analyzation standards. It is a reversal with the top-down standards. The first thing you need to do in the down-top analyzation methods is to set the signals to entry at the low time frame. For example, this time you entry with the double top, double bottom, or the price come into strong buying zone and appear some of the candle patterns to entry in the market. And the second one, after the first condition is okay, and the second step, you go into the higher time frame to define the market trend structure on the bigger time frame. And the next one, also the third one, is a confirm confluent trends with the higher time frame once more time. And the last one, after all the condition is okay, you entry in the market. And one small thing, if one of the 3 conditions is not okay at your standards, at this time you need to skip this pair and come into another pair. That's also the reason why if you're trading with the down-top analyzation methods, you can scan a lot of the currency pair on the market, as I said before, from the 6 to 20 currency pair. And also the reason why top-down analyzation methods, you only can manage less than the 6 currency pair in the markets to have the best profit. And for example, at this time, here is some of the currency pair you can manage on the market. For example, at this time, your longest time frame you set in your standards is a 1 hour time frame, and here is a USD CAD 1 hour time frame. You scan if the price come into the strongest buying zone, and at this time you wait to entry or appear some signal to entry. This time in the 1 hour time frame, price not touch into this strongest buying zone. Therefore, this time it will skip and come into another pair is a USD JPY. And at this time on the USD JPY, price already come in the strongest buying zone. Therefore, this time you only wait to appear some of the pattern to entry with the market and skip the USD CAD, continue with the USD JPY. And at this time, after the first condition, I mean that the signals on the lowest time frame already confirmed. At this time, you come into the 4 hours time frame with the USD JPY and confirms again about the big picture of the markets. And also another time frame might be the daily time frame. If you choose 3 time frame, is a 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frame, you can only combine 1 hour and 4 hours together. And that is all step we analyze with top-down analyzation methods and down-top. Also the market cycle theory, how to connect all time frame together in the market. And I hope it's useful to you when you apply in the trading. Thank you.